Hello everyone, this is my review of these disposable filters for the ResMed AirSense 10, AirCurve 10, ResMed S9, and AirStart CPAP series. These are designed to provide effective filtration and serve as an essential replacement accessory to maintain the performance of your CPAP device. The white filter is easy to install and is made from high-quality materials that ensure reliable performance over time. They capture impurities and help to keep your therapy air clean and free of contaminants. These disposable filters are a cost-effective and dependable solution to keeping your CPAP machine in operating condition. I highly recommend